Hello, YouTubers. Today we have twin baby alive.
And we got
some bean boozled.
And
It
we have
is.
to fit it, throw it up, and then fit it down, and then open it up, and you did one.
Yeah, it has different flavors.
Yeah.
Spoiled milk, yuck.
Yeah.
Coconut,
Ew.
dead fish,
Ew.
strawberry banana smoothie,
Nummy.
rotten egg,
Ew.
buttered popcorn,
Ew.
toothpaste,
Nummy.
Betty Blue, barf,
Ew.
peach,
Ew.
canned dog food,
Ew.
chocolate pudding, my favorite.
Ew.
You
Not
got
mine.
booger,
Ew.
juicy pear,
Ew.
moldy cheese,
Ew.
caramel corn,
Caramel corn. Nummy.
stinky socks,
Ew.
tutti frutti, lawn clippings,
Ew.
and lime.
Ew.
And this baby alive's going to eat one today. Right, baby alive?
Hello.
Yeah. All right.
And this baby has
Yes. All right.
two. Ooh.
This one. Okay, we got one. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, let's do that one.
Let's do two of them.
I love you.
Three. Okay, now. Let's eat baby alive. You feed that one, feed this one.
And this.
You like it? Does it smell yummy? You know what this is going to be? Stinky socks. I got stinky socks. Ew.
Daddy, let me see what's underneath that.
You got coconut.
Now
Ew.
that's two. What's this?
Here you go. That's two coconuts. You ready to feed the baby alive?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. Let me do that.
Yummy baby alive. Yummy. 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 She doesn't like it.
Mommy.
She said, Mommy, she doesn't like it.
Ew, hold on, that one.
Ew. Okay. Uh-oh. Baby alive says she's feeling sick. It's nasty. She gotta go.